Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a greeting card that I titled, You're Awesome. I'm using origami paper, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. And I'm further using the bundled brushed blooms stamps and dies from Stampin' Up, and the sentiment comes from the stamp set Color and Contour by Stampin' Up. So I'm just I have two pieces of paper that go onto the card base, and then I have a contrasting but matching color, solid color, just a band that goes across the page, and then I have these stamped flowers, blooms, that I also die cut with the coordinating dies, and so these go on just on the band there on that strip of paper that goes across the page. So I'm starting obviously with the leaves because they go underneath, and then the next thing I do is take the layer that comes next before I put the top layer there, and then all I need to add is just the sentiment that goes there, and it's also die cut. It's a stamp and die cut, and this is my card done. I'm going to leave you with a few more close-ups, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.